Today, I will teach you on how to trade with automated bots, and we will be using Binance and RunQuilly. So my capital for today on Binance is 738.58 USDTs. So I'll teach you on how to set the bot, to select the bot, to fund your account, and also to withdraw. But first, we'll start with a trade. That's what I'm interested in. After that, we'll confirm that everything is working, and we start afresh. So after funding your RunQuilly account, obviously using Binance, you come and click on trading bots. Right now, you can set stop loss and take profit. But I still don't prefer that because the bots are automated. Uh, so that means it's hard for you to hit a loss. So I had seen Momentum Pro with a capital of minimum 100, and it takes 10 minutes, only 10 minutes. So just come enter my amount, and you can see then you just start the bot. So the bot is now running. The bot is running, my guy, and we can check the live chat. The live chat is there. The live chat is there. The live chat is there, guys. You can see the candlestick, the entries here. And the first, you'll check the logs here. You can click on the logs and come and check on the candles. So let's wait for them to form. The entry is there. Let's wait. The bot is running. You can see the first candlestick has formed, and it is a profit. Let's check it is a profit of how much? 0.3. Remember, our capital is very small, 100 USDTs only. So we're expecting something, not much, but something good. So we wait for another candle to form. Let's check. So I did trade without setting the stop loss and take profit, but for you, you can go and set it. So don't worry, I'll do another video for that. Don't worry. Let me check the logs. So we'll just wait for it to run, then we check. So you can check the trade, my guy, and you can see here I did hit a loss. Let's check on the logs. The bot hasn't closed yet, and you can see I'm running on profit of 12. So that means there is still time. I should wait, then the bot will close. Alternatively, make sure if you are not sure of your profit, you set the stop loss and take profit so that you should be running on profit. Take note, start now.